Tazzari EV MINIMAX. You might have seen many compact designs of cars to fit in small parking spaces, but did you know about the Tazzari EV MINIMAX? It's one of the attractive options for city residents. It's an eco-friendly mode of transportation with a keyless system. It has a turning radius of 2.92 meters, ensuring flexibility. This compact vehicle of 120 centimeters of width can be easily parked like a scooter. It features an 11.2 kilowatt-hour battery that gives a range between 81 to 162 kilometers. It provides a storage capacity of 400 liters behind the seat. The transparent removable side doors and rooftop ensure a 360-degree view. Additional features include a 7-inch display, ABS, Bluetooth audio system, reversing camera, and air conditioning. Nimbus One. Nimbus One is a combination of three-wheeled mobility with the comfort of a car. It's an eco-friendly electric car that uses comparatively less materials and ensures maximum range. Technically, it can accelerate from 0 to 30 miles an hour in just 3 seconds. It features a 9 kilowatt-hour swappable battery that gives a maximum range of 93 miles with a top speed of 50 miles an hour. Just like a regular motorcycle, when it turns, it leans to the respective side, but even when tilted, it maintains balance and stability. With this, it also ensures safety features like ADAS, ABS, front airbags, and more. The estimated price of Nimbus One is $9,980 or $10,000 approximately. SWINCAR E Spider. Are you an adventurous person but eventually have mobility issues in rocky and uneven places? Then you must know about the SWINCAR E Spider, which has flexible and strong legs that can take you from any terrain. It's an electric 4-wheeled vehicle that can be controlled via hands only and can pass through various terrains. It features 4 kilowatts of power that gives a top speed of 30 kilometers an hour. The rechargeable battery gives a range of up to 4 hours along with 1,000 miles of climbing. Other features include an adjustable seat and 4 combined spring shock absorbers to reduce the vibration via crossing rough slope. Furthermore, one can also enhance the SWINCAR with accessories like a cargo rack and a tank. The approximate starting range of SWINCAR E Spider is 18,540 euros. GM Electric Networked Vehicle. The main aim of electric networked vehicles is freedom of personal mobility. GM ENV is a 2-seater vehicle introduced to combat traffic congestion, parking availability in urban areas, affordability, and maintaining air quality. It's designed with an extensive use of LED lighting, sleek technology, unique door design, attractive interior, and creative colors. It's powered by lithium-ion batteries, giving a range of 25 miles. It can be rotated on its axis, and the platform of wheels moves back and forth during the movement, giving a joyful experience. LSEV 3D printed electric car. Do you know about the world's first 3D printed cars launched by Polymaker and XEV? LSEV. It's claimed to be an affordable solution for urban mobility in an eco-friendly way. It claims to give a maximum range of 93 miles on one charge with a top speed of 43 miles per hour. It's a sustainable and innovative solution, still termed as a low-speed vehicle. This car can be connected with a mobile application and can be started or locked by the same. The transparent screen at the back updates the rider about time, temperature, and other important events and provides the best route to reach the destination quickly. Furthermore, while driving, the screen at the back can be kept working via animated visuals and more. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot for watching it till the end. Comment your thoughts down below on which of the above you like the most, and stay tuned for more videos going forward.